Hey, if you're anything like me, once in a while you have to go to Photoshop to edit an image. If you use Adobe Photoshop CC, aka Creative Cloud, the November 2018 release has probably been driving you up the wall. But I'm going to show you how to fix one of the craziest things Adobe's done to update the software in years. Hey, I'm Doc. If you use Adobe Photoshop, you will have known that in the Creative Cloud version, November 2018, they made a change to the way the free transform tool works. Now, normally in the past, if you wanted to constrain something, you would hold the Shift key or Shift and Alt to control the constraint in place, and you can transform things and you wouldn't lose your aspect ratio, nothing would shift around. Well, they made an edit to this, and I'm not really sure why, because Photoshop is one of those tools that you pretty much use for muscle memory, and you barely have to think about it once you put the time and effort into using it. I've been using Photoshop since like version 1. Now, I don't claim to be a Photoshop guru or something, but I gets down. So whenever I need to make a quick thumbnail for my YouTube video or edit a photo for something to do with my family, Christmas cards, holiday cards, whatever, I just go in and I do what I need to do. The new update, I was trying to make a thumbnail and it drove me batty. I'm going to show you how to fix it. The fix is extremely easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that starting now. So here we are in Photoshop, and as you can see, this is Adobe Photoshop CC version 20.0.1, the November 18 massacre. All right, so basically in the past, what you would do is if you wanted to, say, adjust this size, you see the little arrows here, you would hold down the Shift key and then you could adjust it. Well, now what happens when you hold the Shift key is it goes bonkers. You lose your constraint, and nobody wants that. You want it to be nice and even. So the new format is you basically hold it and you pull it to the side, and I mean, that works, and I guess they are trying to make it easier for the new people. But if you've been using Photoshop since day one, like myself, the new way is probably driving you quite crazy. So crazy that I can't even say quite. I'm going to show you how to fix this real quick. So now what we're going to do is open up TextEdit. Open up the TextEdit app. We want to create a new document. When you create yourself this new document, you're going to insert a single line. The line is TransformProportionalScale 0. Let me go ahead and blow this up so you can see it really good. Wow, that's a little huge. Sorry about that. Let's go here. It's TransformProportionalScale 0. Now you might notice it says RTF here at the top. So what we want to do is Command-Shift-T, or under the format menu, go down to make plain text. This will go ahead and convert it into a plain text file. That kills our zoom, but everything is good. Now we want to do a save. To save this file, we want to name it PSUserConfig.txt. Once again, that's PSUserConfig.txt. And we'll go ahead and save this to the desktop real quick. Now, go ahead and move TextEdit out of the way and open up a new Finder window. Actually, we don't even have to do that. We can go down to the Go menu and make your way down to Library. Now, if you don't see Library, let me hide my hidden files for a second. If you don't see Library, like so, what you can do is hold down the Option key and Library pops up. You see right here? And that allows you to open. Scroll down to Preferences and open that. And if you sort by name, scroll down to Adobe Photoshop CC 2019 Settings. Open that. Drag this document in there. Go ahead and move it. And then close that. Now what we're going to want to do is close Photoshop real quick. Let me save this. Save it on the desktop so we can open it back real quick. And quit. Open. And then open our recent file. And now if I don't hold the Shift key, oh, missed the corner. If I don't hold the Shift key, everything goes crazy. However, if I hold the Shift key it does what it used to do. If I could just grab the corner, it does what it used to do. And the other thing, my favorite, is Option and Shift allows it to scale back in place like the good old days. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you would like to find more cool tips, don't forget Doc's Tech Tips happen right here on this channel. So please subscribe and press the notification bell so you know when I create new tech tips. Now I hope you figure this out, and I will make a PC version coming very soon. See you again. Thank you for watching. Aloha.